Hi class, so good morning. Welcome back to our English classroom with me, Mamlia. Okay, so are you ready to study with me? We will study about our lesson today in Unit 8. What are the days of the week? So I think all of you already know about the name of days of the week in English, right? Okay, we will discuss it together now, okay, in this lesson. Let's start. First of all, I will tell you about the objective of this lesson atau tujuan pembelajaran yang akan kita lakukan pada lesson ini. Okay, so in this lesson we will learn how to identify days of the week, ask information questions with what, and use informative phrases to answer questions about days of the week and activities. And don't forget that we will use simple present tense in this lesson. So do you still remember about simple present tense? Okay, I will tell you again and I will explain to you again about simple present tense. Okay, first of all, this is the vocabularies that we will use in this lesson. So number 1 until 7 is the days of the week in English. Okay, I think you know what is Sunday in Indonesia. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay. Nah, yang mau Memlia kasih tahu adalah di luar negeri sana, di Western, oke, itu kalendernya selalu diawali dengan dengan hari Minggu. Ya, jadi diawali dengan Sunday. Sedangkan kalau di Indonesia, kita mengawali kalender kita dengan hari Senin atau Monday. Oke. Nah, kemudian nomor 8 sampai 11, I will tell you the meaning in bahasa Indonesia. Di situ ada go sailing atau berlayar dalam bahasa Indonesia, berlayar menggunakan kapal. Ride bikes artinya kamu mengendarai sepeda. Have picnic, kamu pergi piknik. Climb trees, memanjat pohon. So this is the sentence pattern that we will use in this study. Okay, I give you two kinds of sentence pattern. Ya, yang membedakan adalah subjeknya. Ini yang pertama. What do you do on bla bla bla? Bla bla blanya itu kamu isi dengan nama harinya. Hari apa? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Wednesday, or something like that. Kemudian kamu menjawab dengan I bla 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 bla. Nah, bla blanya itu kamu isi dengan what kind of activities do you do? Oke. Jadi aktivitas apa yang kamu lakukan? Oke. Oke, yang kedua ini subjeknya Memlia ganti menjadi she or he. Jadi kalimat tanyanya menjadi what does he do on atau what does she do on, and after that you answer with he bla 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 or she bla bla bla. Nah, bla bla blanya itu kamu isi dengan aktivitasnya. Oke, karena ini simple present tense, maka bagaimana verb yang harus kamu gunakan jika menggunakan simple present tense? Oke, Memli akan jelaskan kembali supaya kamu ingat. Oke. Jadi, we use simple present tense to answer the questions ya. Jadi, kita menggunakan simple present tense untuk menjawab pertanyaan. So, if the subjects are, jika subjeknya atau orangnya adalah he, she, it, oke, atau nama orang tunggal, ya, jika subjeknya he, she, it, atau nama orang tunggal, we should add s, es, or ies on the verb. Jadi, kita harus menambahkan huruf S atau ES atau IES di kata kerjanya. Oke, misalnya he plays. Ya, jadi yang tadinya play itu kita harus tambahkan S, plays. Oke. She watches. It reads. Misalnya seperti itu ya. Oke, now the example. Number 1, what do you do on Sunday? I go to church. I go to church. Oke, nah go to church itu adalah simple present tense ya. Kenapa dia go? Karena subjeknya I. Oke, jadi nggak usah ditambahkan es atau s. Now look at number 2. What does he do on Saturday? He plays basketball with his friends. Oke, he plays basketball with his friends. Nah, kamu lihat plays-nya di situ yang Memlia bold dan Memlia kasih italic ya. Jadi play karena subjeknya adalah he, maka play-nya kamu harus tambahkan s. You should put s. Oke. Jadi he plays. Oke. Okay, now open your student book page 56 until 61. We will discuss it together.
Unit 8. What are the days of the week?
Listen and number. Number 1.
Sunday. Sunday.
Number 2.
Monday. Monday.
Number 3.
Tuesday. Tuesday.
Number 4.
Wednesday. Wednesday.
Number 5.
Thursday. Thursday.
Number 6.
Friday. Friday.
Yep, after you listen to the recording now, let's discuss the answer. Number 1 is Sunday. Number 2, Monday. Number 3, Tuesday. Number 4, Wednesday. Number 5, Thursday. And number 6 is Friday. Okay, very good.
Listen and write.
What do you do on Tuesday?
I ride my bike on Tuesday.
That's great. What do you do on Wednesday?
I go sailing on Wednesday.
What fun!
What do you do on Friday? I have picnics on Friday. I like picnics.
Now let's answer the questions. Okay, we start with part A ya. In part A, listen and write. Number 1, what do you do on blah 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 blah? Tuesday. What do you do on Tuesday? I have picnics on Friday. Oke. Nah, sekarang kita lihat ke gambarnya, ke dialognya ya. Setelah kita jawab pertanyaannya dari yang sudah kamu dengarkan, sekarang kita ke gambar yang ada dialognya. Oke, di situ ada guru dan 2 muridnya ya. Nah, sekarang lihat gambar nomor 1. Nah, itu gurunya bertanya apa? What do you do on Tuesday? Nah, jadi di situ nomor 1. What do you do on Tuesday? I ride my bike on Tuesday. That's great. What do you do on Wednesday? I go sailing on Wednesday. What fun. Number 3. Picture number 3. What do you do on Friday? Kemudian temannya bilang apa? I have picnics on Friday. Nah, itu dialog nomor 2. I like picnics. Next, vocabulary, listen and circle. Oke. Sekarang kita lihat gambarnya. Di situ ada 4 gambar. Oke, there are 4 pictures. And now your work is you should circle the phrases ya. Jadi kamu lingkari kata atau kalimat pendek yang sesuai dengan gambar. Number 1, go sailing or ride bikes. Ride bikes. Number 2, ride bikes or have picnics. Have picnics. Number 3, climb trees or go sailing. Go sailing. Number 4, have picnics or climb trees. Climb trees. Okay, next. Writing, look and write. Okay, now look at the picture. So there are 5 days, okay, and also the activities. Now let's answer the questions by looking the picture, okay. Number 1, what do you do on Tuesday? Now look at the picture on Tuesday. Okay, I blah blah blah, I go sailing. Number 2, what does he do on Thursday? Now look at the picture. On Thursday, he rides a bike, yeah. Number 3, what does he do on Monday? Look at the picture on Monday. He climbs a tree. Climbs, ya. Jangan lupa ada S-nya di belakangnya karena subjeknya he. Okay, now number 4. What do they do on Wednesday? What do they do? Apa yang mereka lakukan? Look at the picture. They have a picnic. Okay, they have a picnic. Next.
Listen and read.
The 7 days of the week. There are 7 days in each week. The week starts on Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday come next. These are called weekdays. Saturday is the start of the weekend. Saturday and Sunday are called the weekend. Many people go to school from Monday to Friday. It is fun to play outside on the weekend. Weekends are good days to go to the park.
Okay, after we listen and read to the text, now let's answer the questions about the text. Okay, number 1, how many days is the weekend? Ada berapa hari sih akhir minggu itu? Ya, weekend yang kita sebut weekend itu ada berapa hari? A, 7 days, B, 5 days, C, 2 days. Yang mana jawabannya anak-anak? C, 2 days. Oke. Nah, kalau weekend tuh hari apa aja sih? Ada yang tahu nggak? Hari Sabtu dan hari Minggu. Oke. Jadi ada 2 hari yang kita sebut sebagai weekend. Number 2, when do most people go to school? Nah, kapan orang-orang itu pergi ke sekolah? A, Monday and Friday, B, Saturday and Sunday, C, Monday to Friday. Yang mana anak-anak? C, Monday to Friday ya. Jadi kita ke sekolah dari hari Senin sampai hari Jumat. Bukan hanya Senin dan Jumat saja ya, atau Sabtu dan Minggu, tapi dari Senin sampai hari Jumat. Oke, which day is good to go to the park? Nah, berdasarkan teks yang tadi kita dengarkan, kita baca, hari apa yang baik untuk pergi jalan-jalan ke taman? A, Monday, B, Sunday, C, Wednesday. Jawabannya Sunday, hari Minggu. Okay class, so this is the end of our video today. Thank you very much for watching to my video, for studying with me today. I wish this video will help you to study at home. Don't forget to repeat again and again if you forget. And I wish this video is clear for you to help you study with your mom and your dad, okay? And also I wish this pandemic will end soon, okay? And we will meet face to face at our classroom. Okay class, don't forget to try to do your exercise on workbook. Jadi jangan lupa kamu coba untuk mengerjakan tugas atau latihan yang ada di workbook ya, siapa tahu bisa membantu kamu untuk belajar. Kalau misalnya kamu bingung atau lupa, kamu bisa mengulang kembali video ini atau menanyakan ke Ma'am Lia langsung, oke? Next week you have a task from me ya, jadi Minggu depan ada tugas mandiri yang harus kamu lakukan dan kamu kerjakan. Don't forget to do your tasks, your exercise. Oke, and don't forget to submit to me. Jangan lupa dikumpulkan ke Memlia. Tepat waktu ya anak-anak ya. Selamat belajar di rumah. Sampai jumpa minggu depan. Bye-bye.